Hey everyone, it's Adam here. Yes, this is an R1200GS, liquid cooled, and you'll see here, I've got some sediment right there. This is actually way worse before I cleaned it just now, but basically what'll start happening, you'll notice on top of your oil filler hole here, you'll notice you'll start to get, especially if you ride off road, you'll start seeing little specks of dust and dirt collecting around here. That's because you have some oil that's passing by this. No matter how tight you make it, oil will still escape through here during strenuous off-road, high heat riding with a lot of bumps and whoopties and stuff. So what I found is roughly every 20,000 miles, the O-ring under here fails. And so I'm going to replace that now. Very easy, but for those of you that, basically if this happens to you, that you've noticed that you're getting a little bit of sand kind of stuck here and you do this and comes a little bit of grease or black grease on your finger, that's basically because your oil is blowing by this O-ring here. I've got a cool little tool a guy on Adventure Rider made for me. It's a 3D printed thing that works with this here, so you can dump that right in there, unscrew it. And seriously, no matter how tight you make this, oil will still get by it. It's just the O-ring will fail after. So I've started doing it every 3 oil changes, every 2 oil changes, just change it. Now when you do change this O-ring, obviously make sure you clean the inside there. There'll be some grime and dirt in there. So this is the OEM filler cap right here. Pretty dirty. And then let's look down in here. I don't even have an O-ring. Ha! Oh, there it is, right there. Boom. So this compresses and it'll lose its elasticity and you'll get some stuff in there. So clean that out. But today's video, I'm actually going to be installing something totally different, which is, well, let me pause for a second and get it out for you. So we're actually going to be installing this BMW part. And Touratech used to make something like this, kind of a rip-off. And then if you go on like Chinese eBay, you can find all kinds of rip-offs of these. It's $55 usually. Max BMW had it. And I went to their parts site to buy the O-ring. And while I was there, I was like, you know, I've always actually wanted to buy this fancy filler cap. And so it comes with an O-ring. So I figured, well, let's do this both in one go here. So there it is. It's aluminum, obviously. As far as the tool goes, it looks like it's a T30 Torx. I'm gonna save this actually. This is some fancy, expensive BMW part. I'm gonna use my own T30. This tool is actually completely custom, so don't lose it. And I'll show you why here in a second. So you'll see here's the tool. You've got a hole right there. So you've also got a little raised middle piece there. So to get this to fit, it has to go right in there. So my T40 didn't work because of the hole right there. So we're gonna be putting this O-ring on, which should stop our issue we're having. All right, so we put that down there. This is a new O-ring. This is all you have to do. The part number is actually here, so you can Google it if you want to. Here's your O-ring part number. And these are cheap, but grab a couple of them. And then we're gonna put this new filler cap in here. Not many people have these. A lot of people have the ones that are like generic from eBay or from old Touratech ones. And that should eliminate our oil blow-by on that O-ring there. Now it kind of stands out like a sore thumb. But cool little upgrade. I've wanted these for a while actually. I wish it was the same color as the head guard, but do not lose this tool. So that's the, I guess, of two videos in one. First, if you're seeing oil and sand residue right here, then you need to replace that O-ring filter right here. And then while you're in there, go ahead and buy one of these things for $50, and they look nice. I'll link to I'll put the part number in the description. Thanks for watching.